Friends, greetings from Oxbridge Foundation. I'm pleased to introduce Anjali, our successful alumni from the April Oxbridge Bootcamp in Keble College 2025, which was run in partnership with Gigi, professor from UC Berkeley. And Anjali, you took part, and I think you attended all 5 complete days of this bootcamp. And what was interesting, you, who is an accomplished physicist, really seemed to enjoy this bootcamp. So that was a revelation for all of us because so much going on in Oxford University. You have access to a wonderful ecosystem, and still Gigi brought something interesting. So, and then I have read a very great piece of news very recently, and congratulations to you and your team on securing the funding for your, what is the name, Entangled Quantum.
That's right.
Very interesting name, intriguing, and I believe this year we were celebrating 100 years since the quantum was opened, or how do you say?
Absolutely.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
100 years of Heisenberg's paper.
Yes, wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So I would like to ask you a very simple question. How did you find Oxbridge Bootcamp? Did it help you? What was interesting for you and new for you?
Absolutely. I came into the bootcamp with a background, with absolutely no background in entrepreneurship, and I was pursuing my master's in physics and math at the time, and I had this sort of idea, or I wanted to step into the world of entrepreneurship and try to connect how my studies or my research sort of connects with the practical world. And this bootcamp sort of was a basic introductory pathway to me into the world of entrepreneurship and how to go about navigating the basics when you have an idea in your head and you want to bring it out to the real world.
Interesting, and thank you ever so much. You really articulated how a scientist who is so engrossed with research and development still need to be aware of the world of entrepreneurship, because at the end of the day, any research and development will need to be sustainable.
Yeah.
And I think it was really interesting and observe the dynamics of the week we had with you guys. And another question, which I believe will be probably my final question: do you think this approach of bringing a diverse audience really works for all, including scientists like yourself? Because we brought sixth formers, undergraduates, professionals, postgraduates, and it was interesting to see that some sixth formers contributed as well with some, I would say, not only soft skills, but some mechanics of marketing and supporting how, the market should be, just approached with that or that idea. What do you think about this approach? Does it help, someone like you who are dealing with such a complex matters like quantum?
Absolutely. I would think that's the best part about it, that we bring together a diverse set of people. So everyone comes in with different perspectives, different skill sets, and then you can sort of try and build a team which has these complementary skill sets and complementary backgrounds. So, if I know something and I want someone else who sort of matches what I don't know, then you can work on it together and you can make things work. So absolutely, like having people from different age groups, different scientific backgrounds, different business backgrounds definitely helps with sort of getting the idea going.
Brilliant. This is so encouraging and so reassuring. Thank you so much. So I believe you can and you will recommend Oxbridge bootcamps to other students, undergraduates, because this is where we are almost 3 days before our next bootcamp will start. We will start on Monday the 8th. It will be the same venue, Keble College, and this time Gigi Wang, she is bringing a few seasoned venture capitalists, and we are anticipating and we welcome you to come, and if you wish to share your experience or maybe talk about your startup Entangled Quantum, we will be delighted to see you. Thank you.
Absolutely, would be more than happy to drop by.
Thank you so much.